Welcome to this short practice, being still and silent. Sit in a relaxed way on your sofa with your eyes open. Be very still, relaxed and silent. Breathe in your own rhythm. I'm not doing my usual breath guidance today. Nope. This 5 minutes is about doing nothing. No active focusing or awareness. You are taking some time out away from the everyday happenings and having to do something. Do you take time out to just sit? Or are you usually sitting and reading a book? Or drinking a cuppa? Or watching TV? Maybe you're on your phone or entertained by background music. Not today. Just sitting and looking. Before you start though, I would like to tell you a very, very brief story about my experience with this practice. My son shared it with me yesterday. He called it staring at the wall. I gave it a go and found out two things. The first was that I was still tired, even after a good night's sleep. I realized I am recovering from an intense study load. The second thing I noticed was how nice it was to just sit, with no expectation or obvious purpose, not even meditating. I found the practice freeing. I had given myself permission to do nothing, the opposite to how we are conditioned, being useful, accomplished, being productive. I'm sure you get my drift. So today, give yourself permission to do nothing for the next 3 minutes. Just be comfy and witness where your eyes land. Be very quiet and soft with yourself, not thinking too much, just looking. I will keep time, and you will hear a chime when I am about to speak again, after those 3 minutes. How did you go? Did you have any realizations? I would love to know if you have time. Please share in the comments. I'm very curious about this exercise and how it supports or doesn't support people. I will be exploring it for myself further, especially when I am in queues or waiting in general. Little pockets of stillness throughout my day. Wishing you little pockets of stillness too. If you would like something more, then there is a link on your screen to a box breathing meditation. Blessings galore, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.